So for today, for our project, we are tasked to design a system using an adder and decoder which outputs the severity of sleep disorder as shown in the table with respect to the count of sleep disorder occurrence or the AHI count. Now, with that, there is a two sensor values that is represented by input pins. Increment the counter sum plus or equal to 1 whenever sensor 1 and sensor 2 values are greater or equal to the threshold values. So with the given example for with the given circuit to the with the sample discussed, here is our circuit. As you can see, this is the two sensor with their threshold, and this is the comparator that will go through these two OR gates and finally the AND gates that will give us um, one output because here is the circuit of our comparator. Now, input A is our sensor and input B is our threshold. Now, for with the stated in the question that the sensor values will only accept greater or equal increment. So therefore, this is the circuit that will, if it is both zeros, therefore it is equal or same. And if input A is greater than the threshold, it will give us greater. But if the threshold is 1 but the input sensor is 0, it will give us less than output. But here main in our main circuit, there are only two outputs because stated in the question that we only need the greater or the equal sum of the comparator. Now for our other, we have the 6 input because 6 input bit because in the table, as you can see here in the table, you can see that we have the AHI count up to 32, and we have the output to our 7 segment display. Here is the input and here is the count of the output. Now, as you can see, if we go and put this onto one output, it will add on one to the existing input. But first we have to get that to 0, so we can check, we can demonstrate how the decoder works. So for decoder, here is our decoder circuit, as you can see, that will output from A to G. And if we analyze that, we can see the expression, and we can see the table for the given decoder circuit. Now, here is the decoder circuit, and as the 6 input in the other, it will output 6 outputs, and the 6 output will be inputted to our decoder circuit and will output A to G, which is the 7 display segment, which we will need to put display on this output. So to check, first we need to check from 0 to 6, the 7 segment display should be, the severity should be 0. So it will be 1, 2, 3, up to 4, 5, and 6. Now, if we put that into 7 to 14, the output should be 1. So if we put this 7, it will be 1 up to 14. So it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. But if we go through here to the HAI 20.6, it should output 2. So we put plus 1 here on the 14, it should be 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, so 11, and 8 plus 2 is 12, 13, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Now if we put it 15, it should give us 2. And if we put it to the 27, it should be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. It will give us 2 because it is in the group of 27 to 30. Now if we put this into 32, it will give us 4. But if we put this into 31, it will give us 4 also. And less than 30, which is in the group of 27 to 30, it will give us 3 display. 3 output. That's all. Thank you.